Type one sentence describing your business, wait a couple minutes, and you've got a complete, designed, live website ready to go. That's how fast building a website with AI has gotten in 2026. Today, I'm walking you through the whole thing from a blank prompt to a fully customized site that you can publish today using an AI website builder that does the heavy lifting while you keep full creative control. We'll cover what AI can actually build right now, how to pick the right tool, what to prep before you prompt, then a full live demo where I generate a real website from scratch and refine it into something I'd actually launch. Let's get into it. First, the question everyone asks, can AI actually build a website, like really build one, or is it all just hype? Short answer, yes. Modern AI website builders don't just hand you a template. Unlike a traditional website builder where you drag and drop from scratch, an AI website builder generates your pages, your copy, and layout from a single text description. This approach now has a name, vibe coding. You describe the vibe, the goal, the feel, and the AI structures it for you. The big shift in 2026 is that vibe coding a website actually gives you usable results. You're getting AI-generated pages with real content and a coherent design, ready for you to refine instead of rebuild. Where AI still falls short is the final call on your brand. It handles the structure very well. The tone, the phrasing, the visual choices that make a site feel like you, those are what still need your input, and that's what I'm going to walk you through right now. Before you prompt anything, you need to pick the right tool, because every AI website builder is built a little differently. Here's what I'd look for. 1, can it take you from a single prompt to a full site? Not just a single section. 2, can you actually edit what it generates down to the pixel without touching code? Because the best AI website builders give you full control of the editing process without forcing you into a code editor. 3, does it stay stable, meaning the AI's changes don't quietly break something else on your site? And 4, is there a free way to try it first? Because a free AI website builder lets you test the whole flow risk-free. The tool I'm using for this build is Wix Harmony. It's Wix's flagship AI website builder, and it checks all 4 of those boxes. Tools like Framer AI or Durable do parts of this, but they don't give you full editing control without code. Wix Harmony combines vibe coding with a full drag and drop editor, so the AI builds the foundation and you keep full control on top of it. At the center of it is Arya, the Wix AI agent. Arya understands natural language and the full context of your site, so you can ask her to generate layouts, write copy, produce images, redesign a page, or add an online store, all from a prompt. And because Arya is built on top of Wix's production platform, her changes never break your code or introduce bugs elsewhere. That's where many AI website builders fall short, which is why Wix AI is often considered one of the best AI website builders for creating, managing, and growing a website. One more thing worth saying, Wix Harmony is available to every user, including the free tier, at no extra cost, so you can follow along with this build for free. The quality of your site comes straight from the quality of your prompt. So 2 minutes of prep here saves you a lot of editing later down the road. Before you write a single natural language prompt, get clear on 3 things. Your goal. What is this site actually for? Booking clients, selling products, showing a portfolio, getting leads? Pick the main job of the website. Next, your brand. Jot down your business name, a 1-line description of what you do, a few adjectives that describe your brand, like clean and modern or warm and handmade, and any colors you already use. And third, your pages. List the pages that you need in your website. For most small businesses, that's a homepage, an about page, services or products, and a contact page. You don't need this perfect, you just need enough so the AI has direction instead of guessing. Okay, now the fun part. Let's build a full website with AI from nothing. I'll head to Wix and start a new site with Wix Harmony. Instead of picking a template, I'm going to describe to Arya what I want in plain language. Here's the prompt I'm using. Build a website for a small coffee roastery called Field Notes Coffee. Modern and warm with an earthy color palette. I need a homepage, an about page, a shop to sell bags of coffee, and a contact page. Friendly, confident tone. That's it, 1 natural language prompt. I hit go and Arya gets to work. And watch what happens. In under a minute, she's generated a full website. A styled homepage with a hero section and real headline copy, an about page with written story content, a shop laid out for products, and a contact page with a real form. The images are placed, the colors match the earthy tone that I asked for, and the whole thing is already wired together as a real working site. This is what building a website with AI actually looks like now. The AI website builder gives you a complete first draft and you go straight into editing. Before I change anything, I do one first pass and just review what Arya made. This step matters. You're looking to keep what works and improve the rest. So a quick critical pass is what saves you from publishing something generic. I go section by section and sort everything into 3 buckets. Keep the stuff that's completely right, fix things that are close but a little off, and replace anything totally generic that just doesn't sound like me. On this build, the layout and structure are solid, so those can stay. The headline is decent but a little bit generic, so that'll be a quick fix. And a couple of the body paragraphs read a little bit too AI polished, so I'll rewrite those in my own voice. That's the right approach when you create a website with AI. Let it handle the structure, then put your own voice in the spots that need it. That review pass makes a real difference in how personal the final site feels. Now let's make the site look exactly how I want it to. And this is where having both options pays off. I've got 2 ways to change anything. I can just ask Aria, or I can grab it directly and make the change myself using the drag and drop editor. For bigger changes, I prompt. I'll type something like, make the color palette warmer and use a more editorial serif font for the headings. And Aria updates it across the entire site consistently. Same thing for images. Swap the hero image for something that feels like a sunny morning cafe. And she generates a new one that fits. For the finer details, I switch to manual. The drag and drop editor gives me pixel perfect design control, so I can nudge spacing, resize an image, or tweak a button until it's exactly right. No code, just precise visual control. That's how a solid AI website builder should work. Fast generation for the bigger changes, direct control for the smaller details. A real website is more than just nice pages. It needs to do a job. And this is where Wix Harmony goes past just design. Want another page? I just ask Aria, add an FAQ page and a wholesale inquiry page, and she builds them in the existing style. Want a new section on your homepage? Same thing, just describe it. The bigger deal here is business features. Because this is built on Wix, I can add a full online store, bookings, a blog, email marketing, and analytics, all managed from one dashboard. For the coffee shop, I'll have Aria set up the shop with products, a cart, and checkout, and now it's genuinely ready to accept orders. That's what makes this a real AI website builder for small businesses. You go from a good-looking site to an actual working business in the same place, with the AI doing all the setup for you. Last step, the final checklist before you publish. SEO. Wix Harmony sites are SEO ready out of the box. You get full meta tag control, schema support, and fast, stable infrastructure underneath. Having a website builder with AI and SEO built in means your site is set up to get found by search from day one. Mobile. Check the mobile view before you publish. The site's already responsive, but do a quick pass through the mobile view and touch up any elements that aren't responding to that change in screen size. Domain. To look professional, connect a custom domain, your own yourbusiness.com, instead of a long subdomain. What you can do is register one right inside Wix and it connects automatically. I did a full video on Wix's free domains previously, so I'll have that linked in the corner if you want to go check that out. And going live. When you hit publish, every site is backed by enterprise-grade infrastructure, 99.99% uptime, automatic SSL for that secure padlock, and accessibility compliance built in. So the second you launch, your site is fast, secure, and solid. Then you hit publish and your AI-built site is live. So that's the whole process. You picked the right AI website builder, prepped a simple brief, generated a full site from one prompt with Aria, reviewed the output, refined it with a mix of prompting and drag and drop, added real business features, and published it on a custom domain, all without writing a single line of code. The takeaway, AI gets you to a solid first site fast, and you keep full creative control the entire time. If you want to create your own, I'll drop a link in the description to get started with Wix Harmony. It's free to try, so you can run this exact process today. Give it a try and see what you can get up and running in just a few hours.